If you have an important event, write it down in the corner. Make sure you watch this complete haircare routine because I'm going on a trip with my friends, but I want my hair to look at its absolute best. Which makes this haircare routine super important. This is my hair right out of the shower. I've only used a shampoo and not a conditioner. This is the shampoo that I've used. I like this. It is inexpensive, cleanses my hair and scalp really well. I'll double cleanse with it. I live in an area with hard water, so I feel like double cleansing actually gets rid of all of the dirt and gunk out of my hair. I did not use any conditioner because I'm going to be using K18. This is a leave-in hair mask, but you're not supposed to use any conditioner before this. This works like a hair mask, but it is a leave-in hair mask, but you're not supposed to rinse it out. Always use K18 first after towel drying your hair. I use a microfiber towel to towel dry my hair. I don't use those regular towels like this bathing robe is made up of the regular towel texture. I don't use that on my hair because that causes a lot of frizz. I'll be linking everything down in the description. I have been using this bottle since October and it has still not finished up because you have to use very little with it. I have very dense thick hair and therefore I only use 2 pumps of it. The maximum recommended dosage of this is only 3 pumps. If you have shorter hair and lesser denser hair than me, then only 1 pump will be enough for you. This is not a sponsored post. All the products that I'm going to show you in this video have been bought with my own hard-earned money. No brand has sent me any PR or nobody's paying me to post this content. And if I'm putting my money into expensive hair care, then I would rather put it into products that have patents because they put a lot of money into their research and development. So you know that these products are going to work. I also feel that using K18 is very convenient if you use in a place with really harsh winters, because then you are not spending that much time in the shower. A little bit, very tiny little bit, only for the ends of my hair, because this is the most damaged part of your hair. This is where you'll see the maximum split ends in your hair. And if you want your hair to grow, you have to make sure that your ends remain healthy, because only then you will be able to preserve your hair length or grow your hair length. And now after applying this, we have to leave it in a hair for 4 minutes by the clock. Don't just estimate it. Put a timer for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, I'm going to use my favorite hairbrush, the Tangle Teaser. I've been using this since 2017. So you know how much I love this brush. This has been my OG since the day that I started my hair care journey. 4 minutes have gone and now I'm just going to gently detangle my hair. It was so easy for me to detangle my hair, and this is the hair breakage that I saw. You see why I love this product and this hairbrush? And while detangling, always remember to start from the bottom and then slowly work your way upwards. This is the amount of hair loss. I think it is pretty decent according to my hair length and density. Now I'm going to style my hair as usual. I'm going to be using this hair cream. This is Olaplex No. 6 Bond Smoother Leave-In Reparative Styling Cream. And the effort and the struggle I had to do to source this. Now, I saw it on Blinkit, I ordered it, washed my hair with the hopes that by the time I'm done, this will be at my doorstep. But then Blinkit cancelled my order. So now you know how much I love this product. This product claims to reduce your frizz up to 72 hours and is also supposed to add shine and make your hair just much more manageable and nice. Like, oh my god, my hair suddenly feels so soft after applying this. I am not a big fan of how it smells, but I guess it is bearable and the product is really good. So you're going to be like, Shrija, these are all such expensive hair care products. I know they're expensive, but this is just what I use. I'm really glad that now even Indian brands like Minimalist and Vyshya have come up with their own bond repair ranges so that more people can have access to this amazing invention of bond repair. I have tried their ranges as well and liked them. I have recommended those ranges to you as well. But these K18 and Olaplex, these are the OGs. Like, these are the products that other brands take inspiration from. I'm just going to take a little bit more, massage it and apply it at this area, like the back of your head. It gets missed out very easily. Whatever is remaining, I'm going to apply them to the roots. Another dollop, which I'm going to apply specifically only to the ends of my hair. After you apply any product to your hair, make sure you always brush it out so that it evenly coats each individual strand of your hair. Now we are done with the post-shower routine. I'm going to blow dry my hair. And I love my good old Dyson. I saved up my money for a year and then I was able to buy this. This is the most amazing hair dryer that I've ever tried. It dries out all of my hair in just 20 minutes. That is how powerful of a machine it is. But the catch is that it does not dry out my hair a lot. Like if I use other blow dryers at high heat and high speed, my hair looks fried. It looks literally so dry. And then I also notice a lot of split ends. But that does not happen with this hair dryer. According to me, it is definitely worth the money. I'm going to use this on high heat and high speed to roughly blow dry my hair. I always use a concentrating nozzle whenever I'm blow drying, because without this, it is going to be like, and that will cause a lot of frizz. Instead, you want it in a concentrated way, in an organized fashion. This is my natural hair texture. So when I follow a curly hair routine, of course, its texture becomes much more enhanced and my hair looks wavy curly. But this is what my hair looks like even when I air dry it. I don't know why, but I get a lot of hate for using multiple products on my hair. So for this routine, I have used only these 3 products: shampoo, a leave-in hair mask, and a hair cream. No conditioner, because the leave-in hair mask did the job of the conditioner as well. And I forgot to mention the Olaplex number 6 has a built-in heat protector. It protects up till 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This is what my hair looks like. It's so soft. I grew up hating my hair. Like, I mean, come on, how can somebody hate this hair? I kept wishing that I had less hair. Yes, I wished I had less volume. Like, if I keep all of my hair in front like this, I felt that my hair looked like a lion's mane. And what I would do, I would take only a little bit of my hair, keep it in front, and pose like this to make people believe that I had less hair. Can you imagine that? I wanted less hair since childhood because of how frizzy it was. And now I love my hair. I love how big it is. Trust me, all you need is the right hair care products and your hair will become healthy over time. My hair usually has a lot of static, because of which my hair looks frizzy. I always put it into a braid for at least 20 minutes just to let that static and all that frizziness settle down. And these are the results. What do you think? Tell me in the comments. This is my completely unstyled hair. Now beyond this, I could either do heatless curls or use heat on my hair to do a blowout, about which I'll be talking in my next video. Can you see that volume and that shine? Oh my god. I am loving this. That was it for this video. If you have any questions, I will be happy to answer them in the comments. If you liked the video, do consider subscribing. But if you did not like the video, you can press the dislike button. Any kind of feedback is welcomed here.